Hello everyone, hope you all are well. Today we are going to discuss sequential circuit. Let's see the topic we will cover under this section. Counters, ripple, asynchronous, synchronous. Counters. A counter is a device which stores the number of times a particular event or process has occurred, often in relation to a clock signal. Counters are used in digital electronics for counting purposes. They can count specific events happening in the circuit. For example, in the up counter, a counter increases count for every rising edge of clock. Not only counting, a counter can follow a certain sequence based on our design, like any random sequence 0, 1, 3, 2, and goes on. They can also be designed with the help of flip-flops. Asynchronous counters. Asynchronous counters are those whose output is free from clock signal. Because the flip-flop in asynchronous counter are supplied with different clock signals, there may be delay in producing output. Different types of asynchronous counters: 4-bit synchronous up counter, 4-bit synchronous down counter, 4-bit synchronous up-down counter. Advantages: asynchronous counters can be easily designed by T flip-flop or D flip-flop. These are called ripple counters and are used in low-speed circuits. They are divided by n counters, which divide the input by n, where n is an integer. Asynchronous counters are also used as truncated counters. These can be used to design any mode number counters, that is, even mode or odd mode. Disadvantages: sometimes extra flip-flops may be required for resynchronization. To count the sequence of truncated counter, we need additional feedback logic, while counting a large number of bits, the propagation delay of asynchronous counter is very large. For high clock frequencies, counting errors may occur due to propagation delay. Ripple counter. Ripple counter is a special type of asynchronous counter in which the clock pulse ripples through the circuit. The n-mod ripple counter forms by combining n number of flip-flops. The n-mod ripple counter can count 2n states, and then the counter resets to its initial value. Features of ripple counter. Different types of flip-flops with different clock pulses are used. It is an example of an asynchronous counter. The flip-flop are used in toggle mode. Based on the circuitry design, the counter are classified into following types. Up counter. The up counter counts the state in ascending order. Down counter. The down counter counts the state in descending order. Up-down counter. The up-down counter is a special type of bidirectional counter which counts the state either in the forward direction or reverse direction. It also refers to the reversible counter. Synchronous counter. In the asynchronous counter, the present counter's output passes to the input of the next counter. So the counter are connected like a chain. The drawback of this system is that it creates the counting delay, and the propagation delay also occurs during the counting stage. The asynchronous counter is designed to remove this drawback. In the synchronous counter, the same clock pulse is passed to the clock input of the all flip-flops. The clock signals produced by all the flip-flops are the same as each other. Given in the diagram of 2-bit asynchronous counter, in which the input of the first flip-flop, that is FFA, are set to 1. So the first flip-flop will work as a toggle flip-flop. The output of the first flip-flop is passed to both the input of the next JK flip-flop. Hope you all are well.